It's my birthday, and what a better way to celebrate than to make a smoke alarm collection video. I just did the unboxing video not that long ago, so I'm going to be uploading this next. And I also have two guests with me. Yeah, I'm making a video. Ethan and Noah.
Hello.
I think you guys already know Ethan, and this is Noah's first time collabing on my channel. His YouTube is Smoke Alarm 520. Go sub. And I have a lot of smoke detectors, and I agree with you. It's a lot. Yeah, there's some really rare and really cool ones in here, like this, and this. There's a lot of cool stuff. These two. Well, anyway, the first one right here. The first one I'm going to test is the First Alert. I forgot the model number. Like, just look at it. It's a model SA720. Ethan has this too. I think he does.
But it's hardwired.
Yeah, his is hardwired. We'll go ahead and test it. It's got an escape light too.
Here's how mine sounds. High pitch and faster code 3.
Mine's really slow code 3. This one right here is a First Alert model SCO500. It's a smoke and carbon monoxide version. We'll go ahead and give it a test. It also can be wirelessly interconnected with those two, but I don't have that set up yet. I don't have the location set up. I just got it, so here we go. This one's really loud too.
Warning, evacuate, smoke, evacuate.
Warning, evacuate. Smoke, evacuate.
Warning, evacuate, carbon monoxide, evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Please see manual. And going on down is pretty much the same thing except only smoke. It's the SA511s.
Testing.
It's pretty much the same thing, but it does not have its carbon monoxide element to it. But these can also be wirelessly interconnected, and we'll go ahead and demonstrate that. They sound the same too.
Warning, evacuate, smoke in office. Evacuate. Warning, evacuate, smoke in office. Evacuate.
Cool. Going on down, we have a old First Alert FCD. What was the model number again? I forgot. I think it's the FCD3N carbon monoxide detector. I don't know when this is manufactured, but we'll go ahead and test it. Cool. Going on down, we have a First Alert, old First Alert SA90 LT smoke alarm, and we'll go and test it. So that's cool. Has like a it's an old school alarm. Right here we have a First Alert FACO carbon monoxide detector, and I'm going to quickly get batteries. Alright, here we go. So this is a First Alert carbon monoxide detector model, FACO, as I said. Give it a test. Hopefully it works. Ah, come on. This thing does not like to work.
Difficulties.
This thing does not like to work for some reason. It seems to be really finicky. The battery always unplugs. What's You have to hold it forever for it to test. Please work this time. Yeah, this one, if this one does not work, I'm just gonna skip it. I hate this test button. It's really slow. String right here, see if it works. Come on. Forget it. It does not want to sound, so whatever. Alright, I guess so. You've seen it in another video, so we could go to my 3 vintage smoke alarms video, and you'll be able to see it in action. These right here are 2 first floor Adams, and this one right here is the P1000, and this is super rare to find. I am so lucky I got this today, because this one, I think this is limited edition in silver finish, and this is the model P1000 in silver. We'll give it a test. There you go, and this one's the P1010 in white, and this one's lithium sealed, and it sounds the same. So yeah, this one's super rare to find, and I saw this on eBay once, and I was like, whoa, I want this. It's so cool. I always wanted one of these. I mean, I wanted copper instead, but this silver's the only one they had. So that's cool. I am so lucky I have that. So yeah, anyways, going on over, we have a Kidde TrueSense 2070 VDSR photoelectric with a very weird voice.
Fire.
So that's cool. It's a very weird voice. Going on down, we have a Kidde KN-COPE-IC. I finally have one. I've been wanting this for a year.
Fire. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Cool. Going on down, we have a Kidde KN-COSM-B smoke alarm. And this is a from 2007. We'll go ahead and give it a test. This one also has a voice.
Fire. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Cool. Alright, going on down, we have a Kidde P3010L, and Ethan has something similar, which is the P3010H. His has the escape light.
Oh.
He'll show it to us in a sec. Yep, there it is. Has the escape light on it. There's Noah. This one likes to false alarm a lot too. Sorry. I sneezed. Alright, going on down, we have a pair of Kidde I9040 smoke alarms. These are ionization. You can get these for extremely cheap. Go ahead, test them. There you go. These, I do not recommend these for a house, by the way. Here's his.
They're too basic and cheap. Yeah.
Going on over, we have a Kidde KN-COSM-B smoke alarm. Slash carbon monoxide. It also has a voice.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Cool. And over here we have a KN-COSM XTRBA. It does not work, and it's pretty much the same thing, but except intelligent for a reason. Going on down, we have some of my personal favorite smoke alarms. Not anymore though, which because I'll explain why in a moment. They are a pair of P4010s units. This one is a P4010 DCS-CO-W, and this one's a DCS-W. We'll go ahead and test one of them, and we'll demonstrate the interconnect feature.
Testing. This is very loud. Press now to cancel test.
Oh, he has the P4010 ACS-W. I mean ACS.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Fire. Fire. Warning. Carbon monoxide. Test complete.
These are really cool. I recommend these for collection use in houses. They're really cool. Going on down, we have a Kidda PI9000. I messed up the model number on this lots of times, and now I know what it actually is. Thanks, Ethan. PI9000. We'll give it a test. It's from 2003, by the way. Going on down, we have a Kidda I9010 lithium-sealed ionization smoke alarm. These are too basic, though. They're not that interesting, but they are cool. So it's pretty cool. And, oh yeah, Ethan has one too. Going on down, we have a Kidda 0910 smoke alarm. This is just the newer. This one's just the older version of that, and this one's from 2010. Cool. Going on down, we have a Kidda K&COB-DP2 carbon monoxide detector. It's a pretty cool device. And this one is the K&COB-LP2. This is another carbon monoxide. Alright, now we are at the two FireX alarms. This is the FireX i4618AC. I got this last month, and we'll go ahead and test it. Interesting. Going on down, we have the FireX i12080 smoke alarm with an escape light, and this one's also the brightest escape light I've seen. Sounds pretty cool. I like this one. This is my first escape light alarm. Well, that one is too over there, but still, yeah. Going on down is something that I don't think anybody in their collection has. A Simply Safe smoke detector. The model number is SSSD1 smoke alarm. Go test it. This is pretty cool. It has an interesting test button. Look at the hexagon design. I saw this on Andrew's channel, Diesel Doocy, and I got inspiration. I wanted this. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool to add to my collection. It's also this also can be used for a smart home as well. So that's pretty cool. Wireless smart home. Going on down, we have a Family Guard FG200. This is an ionization smoke, and you can get this for an extremely cheap price as well. I also don't recommend this for a house for just like the i9040s, but we'll go ahead and give it a test. Cool. Going down to my new favorite smoke alarm in my entire collection. This is the Nest Protect 2nd generation, and we'll go ahead and give it a test. It also has a neat design. It has an interesting design.
Ready. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel.
I still can't
10,
not believe I have this.
9, 8, 7,
6.
6.
It's a countdown.
5, 4, 3,
P4010, is that
2,
you?
1. This is only a test. Testing smoke.
Warning. Carbon monoxide.
Testing carbon monoxide.
Give it a second.
The test is finished.
Ooh,
Heads up, the voice isn't working. In this room.
the voice isn't working.
Oh no.
Voice isn't working. I don't know what that means. You're working just fine. Whatever. Alright, going on down, we have a Signal 1 safety vocal smoke alarm, and it also, this one you can record your own voice evacuation message, which is really cool. And what I did is I programmed it to use the P4
This is
temples.
very loud. Press now to cancel test. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sounds pretty cool. The model number, by the way, is 10014 VSA. Alright, and our last one, which is not really a smoke alarm, but more of a smoke detector. This is the System Center i32WB. And I just kicked my first sort. I just gotta. They're laughing. I'm trying to find, where's the key? Where the thing's, there. Detector error in this room. Please see manual. Alright, here we go. It voices. Shoot. I need this stupid. I'll just unplug it. I don't feel like. Oh, the thing isn't here. I forgot. Well, anyway, yeah. This is my entire smoke detector. I don't know what this said.
Heads up, the voice isn't working. In this room. Ready. Press to test.
Why is it saying that? It's working just fine. It's working just fine.
Maybe that's protected and like you.
Well, I don't know about that. It seems to be working just fine.
Ready. Press. This is only a test.
Huh,
The alarm will
it's working
sound.
fine.
The alarm
I'm not
is
gonna test
loud.
it again. We're gonna
The
cancel.
test starts in 10 seconds. Press cancelled.
Right.
You can do the same with this too.
Testing. This is very loud. Press now to cancel test. Test cancelled.
I don't know. I'll hear it again.
Heads up, the voice isn't working. In this room. Press to test.
You're working just fine, Nest Protect. I don't know what you mean by that. There must be some kind of way to reset it. I'll have to do that later. Yeah, I think that's why. I think I just have to reset it. I think I have to, like, hold it. Alright. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please see manual. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe about Nest Protect failures. And please see manual memes. And smoke alarm sounds. Hope y'all enjoyed, and that will be it.
Ready. Press. This is only a cancelled.
Wait, hold on. To end the video?
Heads up, the voice isn't working. In this room. Press to test. This is cancelled.
Whatever. Alright, that's it. Please see manual. Please see